Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin pie toaster pastries or pop-tarts, and they're made with homemade puff pastry. Let me tell you, these are absolutely delicious. You've got a super flaky and buttery pastry, a smooth pumpkin spice filling that has a taste of pumpkin pie, and topped with a creamy vanilla glaze and a light sprinkle of cinnamon. It is just out of this world delicious. You're gonna love it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. To make these, you're going to need puff pastry. I have two videos showing how to make it. One is for real traditional puff pastry, and one is quick and easy, and I'll put links to them in the description box. Or you can cheat and just buy store-bought frozen puff pastry, but making it at home is way better, so that's what I always like to do. Keep the puff pastry in the fridge until you're ready to use it. To make the filling, in a medium bowl, add in the pumpkin puree. Make sure it's pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie mix. And add in the brown sugar, heavy cream, and pumpkin pie spice, and mix them until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Remove the puff pastry from the fridge, and you only need half of it for this recipe, so cut it in half, and place the other half in the fridge for another time. Cut this portion in half again, and place one of them back in the fridge so it stays cold. Lightly flour the work surface, and roll it out into a 9 by 12 inch rectangle, working quickly before the puff pastry gets too soft. Once it's rolled out to size, you don't have to worry about it getting too soft. Then cut it into 3 by 4 inch rectangles. And this should give you 9 rectangles. Add a small scoop of the pumpkin filling into the center of each one. Spread it out a little, but leave at least half an inch of space all around the sides. Roll out the other half of the puff pastry to the same size, so 9 by 12 inches. And cut it into 3 by 4 inch rectangles just like before. Beat together 1 egg with a tablespoon of water to make an egg wash. And brush the sides of each pastry square with the egg wash. Then place the other cutout pastry squares on top of it, and seal the edges together. Then use a fork to crimp the edges, and poke holes on top of them to let steam escape while baking. Place each of them onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. Then place them into the fridge for 30 minutes until the pastry is cold again. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. After the pastries have chilled, remove them from the fridge and brush the tops with the egg wash to give them a nice golden brown color when they bake. And bake them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until they're puffed up and nicely browned on top. Then remove them from the oven and leave them to cool completely. To make the vanilla glaze, in a small bowl, sift in the powdered sugar and add in the vanilla extract and milk. Start with 1 tablespoon and mix them until they're combined. Then add in more milk, 1 teaspoon at a time, until it forms a smooth, runny glaze. Once the pastries are cooled, spread the vanilla glaze on top of each one. And add a light sprinkle of cinnamon on top of them. Then let them sit for about 10 minutes to let the glaze harden. And that's how to make pumpkin pie toaster pastries or pop-tarts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.